So let me show you how to create a sticker from a photo on the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. Now, if you go into your gallery, you can find any photo. It could be a photo of yourself or someone else, or even a photo of an object like this little flower here. Whatever it is, you simply tap on the edit icon to go into the image editor. And then you want to tap on the four-dot menu icon. And then from these options, you're looking for the lasso tool. So you want to tap on that. And then with the lasso tool, select snap to shape, and then kind of just draw over the item you want to turn into a sticker, and it's going to snap into shape just like that. Okay, and then next thing you want to do is tap on next, and you can see it's now removed the background and left us with a sticker. Now if you want to, you can add a background to, or rather an outline to that sticker, and you can even change the color of the outline, and then tap on done once you're done with it, and then now you can save that as a sticker. Right, so there you go. So now you have a sticker you can use in messages or in WhatsApp or in whatever you want. But that is basically how to create a sticker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.